sure if you can see the elephant behind us. Until we get to Africa, this closer we're gonna get. You do that because so they don't fight?
Correct.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. You still eating?
Yeah.
Wow. OMG.
She's ready for more.
Oh, she's right.
Yeah. They like having a lot of food in their mouth.
This is awesome. Like, oh my God, I didn't even notice they had hair too.
Yeah, just a little bit on their backs. It's mostly on their ears and their tail, but then they have those individual strands on their back.
Wow. How much do they weigh?
We don't know. We don't have a scale big enough. We think they're about 3,000 pounds. It's about average.
Wow.
Almost 2 tons. Perfect. Just drop the title, please. Years. The oldest in captivity was 65 years old. 65? Yes. They usually their 50s is average.
They are huge.
Oh, don't do it.
Nope, she's not. She is. She said, wait a minute.
Now they're both doing it. You can take a small step back because her mouth is not open.
Nope, she's like, let me see.
Yeah.
Can I get it?
Yep. Still on back. Their teeth actually cross as they cross over one another. They kind of sharpen them and go down, so you can go forever. It's a lot slower and slower when you keep it faster.
Wow.
We can step up and down. No. All right. Now we should be good. Usually once they're in the water, they don't come on down.
Unless they know there's food coming.
Well, they kind of realize as
So
step
they
back-
do actually swim. They don't just walk through the water.
No, they actually don't swim.
They don't?
They swim to the bottom. So if you walk along the bottom of the water,
You hear that water? That's
yeah, they
wow.
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 They don't really like these all that much.
Oh, wait, hit it. You're walking.
You can see their tails are shaped kind of flat
I was
like
getting
that.
ready to ask that.
Yep.
They got hair on it too?
Yep, all around the end.
Y'all know I am in heaven. You know I love the big cats. Wow. Beautiful. I wish one of the big cats would walk up there. I believe there's a big cat coming right now. Yep, there's a big cat. All right. Where's he at? Look at that. That's what I was waiting for. Wow. He's right above our head. Wow. Timmy. Wow. Look at that. Look at Timmy up there. That's beautiful. Oh my God. Hey, it's me, TC. If you're new to my channel or enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.